Welcome. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner network magazine. And I'm talking with Angela Blevins with Spectrum Controls, and it's wonderful to see you again, Angela.
So happy to be here, Teresa. Thanks for having us again.
So tell me, what's new and exciting from Spectrum Controls this year?
Well, as you know, we are Rockwell Automation's trusted partner for specialty I/O modules. For over 3 decades now, we've been rethinking and innovating I/O solutions, communication products, and large marquee displays for Rockwell Automation platforms. We are proud of our I/O success and the fact that we have solutions on virtually every major Rockwell platform. We're dedicated to saving rack space and maximizing your existing solution through universal analog, analog with heart, channel-to-channel isolated I/O, and high-density I/O. This year, we're introducing our new 5069 modules and adding 3 new Micro800 expansion modules to our I/O product lineup. And at the same time, we're also announcing our newly upgraded Universal Industrial Gateway. We will soon be releasing 2 5069 high-speed discrete input and output modules, complementing Rockwell's existing discrete I/O for syncing and sourcing respectively. Included with the fast input module is an input filter that helps improve noise immunity. Filtering helps prevent rapid changes of the input data due to contact bounce. The fast output module provides features like no load detection, short circuit protection, and field power loss detection. The 5069 Compact 5000 I/O system is cost effective. It offers a wide variety of standard and safety modules and allows more customization for applications demanding high performance and speed. It's ideal for OEMs with applications requiring high-speed event tracking, pattern matching, and other needs requiring precise action. So we've also been approved for future development of 3 new Micro800 expansion I/O modules. These new 2085s add to the growing success that we're having with our I/O offerings on the Micro800 and 850 product lines. We're helping customers realize even more possibilities with our high density and specialty Micro800 I/O offerings. And for your complete peace of mind, we provide our customers with free Tech Connect support from Rockwell Automation with all of these products. And we are proud to announce that our game-changing Universal Industrial Gateway is adding a second Ethernet port, a larger display, and a security-focused design, all for the same great price. Coupled with a total of 12 protocols in just one box, the functionality of this unique gateway continues to expand. The Universal Industrial Gateway is a single solution for connecting multiple devices simultaneously, each with a different protocol. This saves you time, money, and the headache of configuring multiple gateway devices. And of course, we look forward to seeing you at Automation Fair in Houston this November. Be sure and stop by booth 531 to talk with an expert about our expanding product lineup. And our Automation Fair tradition continues. This year, you can get a photo with an in-person Ghostbuster. And for your convenience, all of our product information can be found online at spectrumcontrols.com.
Ghostbusters, that sounds fun, but Spectrum always has a fun booth at the show. Thanks for this great info, Angela. It was great talking with you.
Oh, it's so great talking with you. See you there.
I'm Teresa Hauk from the Journal magazine, and we'll talk again.